An attitude of gratitude is a great start. I'm a big believer in that too. And I love that you have that in the book.
Well, I guess we could probably have met for coffee this morning and we could have talked about the world, everything that was wrong and everything we don't like. But why bother? Why don't we talk about how grateful we are that just we have health, got two legs, two eyes.
Right.
And we should celebrate the greatness and the gratefulness rather than be, well, let's look over here. Because when people become truly grateful for what they have, that's very magnetic.
Right.
Right? And then people are attracted to that. And all of a sudden it kind of exponentially grows and it multiplies. And all of a sudden they've done it to themselves. They've empowered themselves without any help. And all starts with gratitude.
The Firefly Protocol, really incredible book. Something that started as a fluke has turned into really something that is amazing. You know, what I like, too, like you say, the book will show you how to maintain flexibility and embrace change in today's work environment, self-appraise and develop a transition plan, pick the business coach, and it also talks about what other leaders are saying about you. What I like about this, too, is that it's almost like a great how-to book, self-help book, reference book, the way you've laid it all out. It's a book that you can continue to go back to and refer to and pick up little nuances and nuggets that maybe you didn't pick up the first time you read this book. And that's a brilliant way to lay it out.
Right. I wrote it, I read it, and I reread it periodically. I go back and I think, wow, you know, bringing something back to my remembrance, something happened, you know, as a kid. And something that I believe that people can relate to.
Right.
It's just a great story that's all true.
Exactly.
With a great ending.
So my question is, how much of this book and this advice and these techniques and tips and suggestions and inspiration is you in this book?
It's all 100% plus me. Because remember what I said, that representative from Missouri said to me, Deborah, don't ask anybody to do anything that you yourself are not living and you yourself haven't done.